Lemon Posset, one of the famous British dessert, 3 ingredients only, and you can serve as you see in fresh lemon, ramekin or glasses. The aroma and flavor is really nice. Lemon Posset, the traditional British way. Let's do it together and enjoy the way we eat lemon Posset. Very easy recipe, 3 ingredients only. Let's start. I need to remove 2 fresh lemon, and the total, not 3 pieces. I remove 3 lemon because I need the shell to pour the cream inside. But all you need exactly is 2 fresh lemon, and then we squeeze it. Exactly 40 ml of lemon juice. If you have lemon puree, you can do it. As you see, I cut it small pieces and then I squeeze to have the fresh juice only. 40 ml of fresh lemon juice, 1 lemon zest, micro zest, much better. And then we have 90 gram sugar, 300 ml of fresh cream. That's it. Fresh cream, 300 ml or 300 gram, 90 gram of sugar, 1 fresh lemon zest. This is the sugar lemon. 3 ingredients only. And this 40 ml of lemon juice. You just stir on medium fire to feel the thickness of the cream. That's it. You just boil it for 3-4 minutes and your cream is ready. You can feel it in ramekin, you can feel it in glass, fresh lemon. You serve whatever you want. The aroma and flavor is so good. We keep it in the fridge overnight, and then second day you can present it with fresh flour. The garnish is yours. You do exactly garnish as what you love. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go see the rest of the channel. You will find chocolate, you find bread, you find everything to make you a professional chef. Touch of lemon zest when you're serving, it's give the aroma and the flavor and make you feel exactly refreshment of lemon. Thank you guys.